Welcome to a new tech solutions video. Today I will teach you how to take a screenshot on PC and laptop in Windows. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. There are several ways to take a screenshot on your computer or laptop. You can press the print screen key on your keyboard, or you can press Windows and print screen keys together and the screenshot will be automatically saved to your screenshots folder. If you only want to capture a specific part of the screen, you can press the Shift, Windows and S keys and a window will open where you can select the portion of the screen you want to capture by dragging the mouse. The screenshot will then be automatically saved to your screenshots folders, and that's it. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in the next Tech Solutions video.